Be good sheep. Make a decision. I made a decision when I was a little boy. I said, mahirap ng buhay ni Papa at Mama. I'll try my best na hindi ko na sila papahirapan pa magdadagdag sa kanila. I try my best to make them happy, not to give them problem. I made a decision when I was a little boy na hindi ko bibigyan ng konsumisyon ang aking mga magulang. You can make that decision. Make your parents happy. Make them proud of you. That's the challenge also, especially for the youth today. Hindi palang ikaw palagi. No, no, no. Alam po niyo ang diferensya raw ng aso at pusa. Ito po yun. Yung aso, pag pinakain mo, inalagaan mo, tinatanggap ka niya na ikaw ang master niya. Yung pusa, karaniwan, pag pinapakain mo,